Now we'd like to talk about our keypad system and its progress. So now, as you can see, is very schematic view of our keypad system. As there are 9 buttons, 8 digits, and one OK button. So this from 1 to 8 is digits, and the last one is OK button. So as you can see, it's connected to another board, and then it's connected to our Raspberry Pi. So when you see our coding, you can I'm gonna show you our pins that we used. So if I'm not mistaken, it's called no, I'm not gonna run for now. So yeah, we saved every bottom as array, and we set it up our rows and columns, and there are like 6 pins. We are using 6 pins. Like for row we are using 7, 11, 13, and for column we are using 12, 16, and 18. As you can see, it's our coding process, and let's run our code. So when you press, could you press any button, please?
Okay.
So when you press,
4,
it shows the buttons that you press
5,
it.
6, and 7.
So when you press 7 buttons, it saves. When you press 4 buttons, it saves that 4 buttons as array. Could you press one more time, like 4 times, any button? So when you press it for the next time, it erases digits that was saved, and it writes array again. So it's like overwriting array. So when you press 4 times, it shows you array, and array size, and after that array size becomes 0. So basically that's all that we did for the last week, and now we need to connect it to our mobile digit, and we need to make a random number generator for mobile and for our Raspberry Pi, and we need to make connection between them. And we need to compare these saved arrays with the passwords that will be sent by mobile device. So basically that's all. Thank you for your attention.
See you.